So this time we want to do something with the leg. So Qi Gong does not cause injuries if we practice it very relaxingly and not rushing ourselves in any positions. So I can be really just very simple. Put a hand on my knee, and the chi of my hand on my knee, and I can be just gently moving my leg in a turn. Breathe in and then breathe out, right? But I have my hand there. So for some of you, knee is a problem. You can also rub the hand on the knee to generate some heat to improve circulation. Now reverse. So Qigong does not cause any injuries. In fact, will improve the circulation so that the Qi helps the injuries to recover. But we must not overdo it. We must think, relax, soft, not too much. Take one step at a time. So see you again soon. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.